Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. 15 spins. Oh! Dude! Dude! Oh! It's not a multiplier there, but hey, we got 11 spins on a full way potential. However, we do not have a multiplier on the third house. Please, let's get the job done. Oh my god! Oh. Oh. Full weight jacks, and hey, I'll take that at 39,000. Oh, blue dogs! Oh, what's that? 57,000! 57! Troll bug! Not a full way there either. We still got 7 spins left. Coming up here. Oh, we got another house! And not a full way there either. 33 grand, we're up to 189,000. That's a dog, and not a full way there either. Look at that, we're up to 214,000. That's a dog, and the full way dogs. Full way dogs. I repeat, full way dogs. And aces full way. Full way with aces, 153,000. Blue dog. Oh no, not a blue dog there. That's 84,000. Coming up here, come on. Oh shit, we got one more spin coming up here. That's 45 grand added. Coming up here with maybe, oh, 619,000. That's a new personal best, ladies and gentlemen. 619,000. Oh, new personal best on the highest win. New record, damn! Man, if we got full weight there with the blue dog. Holy shit! And also we did not have multiplier on the house right here. Imagine if we had that as a multiplier, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, we're up to 1.2. How about that? How about that?